Unboxing Pop Race Toyota Pandem GR86 Advan Livery PR64-228. The Toyota GR86 is already a modern legend, but when you add a Pandem widebody and the most iconic livery in JDM history, you get a masterpiece. Today we're unboxing the Pop Race PR64-228. It's dual licensed, highly detailed, and carries decades of racing soul. Let's dive in. First, let's look at the packaging. This comes in the collector-friendly compact box. What makes this really special is the dual licensing. It is a Toyota official licensed product, ensuring the GR86's lines are perfect, and a Pandem official licensed product, meaning Miura's wide-body design is replicated with 100% accuracy. No generic shapes here. This is the real deal. To understand this car, you have to know its history. The GR86 is the spiritual successor to the legendary AE86 Corolla from the 80s. Like the original, it's built on a simple philosophy: lightweight rear-wheel drive and pure driver engagement. But this version features the Pandem kit, designed by the master of wide-body culture, Miura of Terra, Kyoto. He's the man who sparked the global rocket bunny craze. His designs are known for their raw, riveted-on look that bridges the gap between street tuning and GT racing. Then there's the livery. The Advan scheme has been the face of Yokohama Rubber since 1978. For over 45 years, this black and red diagonal pattern has dominated everything from Japanese Formula 2 to Le Mans with the Porsche 962. Pop Race has paired this historic look with Yokohama Advan GT Racing white 5-spoke wheels. These wheels are a staple in the drift and time attack world, chosen for their strength and that classic deep dish look that perfectly fills out those massive Pandem fenders. Despite being a 1/64th scale model in a standard box, Pop Race didn't settle for a sealed body. The hood opens to reveal a detailed engine bay. You can see the engine layout and the strut bar. This level of opening part functionality is what really makes Pop Race a serious competitor to brands like Mini GT or Tarmac Works. From the precision of the Yokohama wheels to the rich history of the Toyota and Pandem brands, the PR64-228 is a tribute to JDM culture. If you're a fan of the GR86 platform or the Advan heritage, this is a centerpiece for your collection. Which livery do you want to see next on the Pandem GR86? Gretty, HKS? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next unboxing.